Hey everyone, welcome again. So as I've already created a video, now is the time for you to show off your skills and create a video with the ID. You can pick the picture from anywhere, but make sure the face is visible and the face is straight, just like the one I have here, and it doesn't have that much of blurry image or else the result will be blurry. So make sure you follow all those guidelines a little carefully. That's it. So that you get the best of results. So now is the time for you to show off your skills with the ID. I've given you everything, taught you everything you need to know. It's your time now. Let's do it and have fun with it, play with it. Make sure you learn something, enjoy it, create a lots of videos because you have a lot of time. Upload your voice and with all the 11 labs tricks I taught you, and I hope you are going to like it. You can try these avatars and well. The pictures that they already have here, they are quite good as well. It's completely your choice, your domain, you decide, and you can submit it in the comment section or you can tag me in LinkedIn. I will have my profile in the description. So that was quite a really good adventure with the ID. I personally loved recording this thing for you all, and I hope you all liked it. If you did, do let me know in the Q&A.